Baby, it's cold outside. Snuggle up to wool cloth diapers. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, my name is Jamie. I'm the creator of clothcuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your babies. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Y'all, Christmas is coming, and as you can see, I am fully into the spirit of the season. Now, I'm one of those people who has to give Thanksgiving its full due before I can turn on my Christmas jams. But now I'm excited that it's here. Today's video is all about wool cloth diapers. Wool cloth diapers are generally a pull-on style cloth diaper that's used over a flat, a prefold, or a fitted cloth diaper. Moms swear by these, especially for those overnight heavy wetters. Let me tell you a little bit about wool diapers. They are beneficial because of their natural moisture wicking properties. As baby wets in the diaper, these bad boys suck in all that moisture. I purchased these when I was having a few challenges with leaks and wetting throughout the night with my son. Let's use my trial and error to get straight to the pros and cons. The first pro of wool cloth diapers is that they are extremely breathable. I know wool seems heavy and hot, but these are great for summer and winter months. They're breathable, baby can be cool in them. You actually don't even need to put pajama pants on top of them. They're best used as a cover with a diaper and nothing else. The second pro of wool diapers, often called shorties, is that they are naturally antimicrobial. Wool diapers are often made out of Angora and Merino natural wool fibers. No synthetic material here. One of the benefits of this material is that it is naturally resistant to bacteria, so it doesn't hold odors. Just pee. For the third pro, here's a little bit of a myth buster. Do these look itchy to you? They might look itchy, but they are incredibly soft. This fabric is made out of 100% untreated wool. The result is a super soft cloth diaper. And my fourth and final pro is that they are so cute on little bums. I'm going to have to post a picture on the blog to show y'all my son in these diapers. They're so cute, especially when they're teeny tiny little babies. How can you not love a bum and a cute wool diaper? Now let's shift over to the cons. My first con of this diaper is that it has a lot, and I mean a lot, of prep and upkeep. Before your very first use of using a wool diaper, you have to lanolize it. This is the process of making it water resistant and leak proof. It's a time-consuming process that you have to repeat every 2 to 3 weeks or immediately if baby poops in the diaper. The next con about this diaper is that it's expensive. This little bad boy costs about 27 smackers. Although it's expensive, you shouldn't need a whole lot of them in your stash. About 4 to 7 wool shorties in any stash is considered generous. The next con is that these diapers have to be hand washed. Listen to me well here. You cannot put these diapers in the washer or dryer under any circumstances. Further, you need a wool specific detergent to wash these bad boys. You'll definitely have to put some time and consideration in how you launder wool diapers. The last kind of these diapers is shrinkage. Now this is expected to happen, so go ahead and size up. However, if you find that you accidentally stuck your shorties in the washer and dryer, my, you are in for a big shrinking problem. You can fix it, but it's going to take some major commitment, homegirl, and some work. This is where I failed. I accidentally washed my wool shorties, and I did not have the patience or the time to rehabilitate them. I gave up. Don't be like me. That wraps up the cons. Now, you will like this diaper if you're looking for a natural fiber diaper that is excellent at wicking moisture, especially for overnight. Let's go. I'm going to show you how to use them. For this demo of a wool cloth cover, we're going to be using Baby Spider-Man. He's already outfitted in a fitted cloth diaper. You remember from earlier in the video, I mentioned that wool covers are best used with fitteds, prefolds, and flats. I like the combo of using a fitted cloth diaper because it's already cut into the shape of a diaper. No extra folding, no extra closures needed depending on what type of fitted diaper you purchase. From here, all you do is grab your wool cover. It's as easy as putting shorts on a baby. Pull up your wool shorties. Make sure you don't see any cloth anywhere. Half the battle with pajamas is already done. Y'all, that wraps up our wool cloth diaper video. I hope you found this content useful. If you have, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll know the next time I upload a new video. And make sure you share this content with another mom that you think will find it useful. Drop me a line below and let me know what you think about wool cloth diapers. Until next time, y'all. Bye.